goal of this video is quite simple. What we are going to do is we are going to use Higgsfield AI, which is among the many AIs out there, but I'm going to use Higgsfield AI because I have their uh, subscription and I like it. And we are going to try to see how to make some videos with it. So first, let's try this preset mode in which you just give it an image, then choose a preset and you get a video. You can give it a start a frame and then you can also give it an end frame. I do have some images of mine already downloaded, so let's start with it. Let's give it start frame. All right, to change the preset, let's see. Let me see. This one, I like this one, Raven one. Let's go with it. End frame required. That's weird. But all right, let's give it an end frame as well. All right, we have something. Let's try to see it. Whoa. I mean, the images provided were very limited, but I still liked it. I mean, it feels and looks really natural. I'm a, I'm still liking it. Can I? Let's see if I can download it from here. And I have downloaded it without any fuss. Let's try another one. This is the fire one. Let's give it the start frame. Then let's give it the end frame and generate. It's in queue, so let's wait. Alright, it is ready. Let's check it out. So cool. So cool. Let's download it and let's try another one. It is so cool. You just want to keep trying it. Okay, you also have King 2.6 and all other trends from here as well, but I like these one the best. Let's try the shadow smoke. Use the same start and end images, same details. Let's go again. Takes around a minute or two. Sometimes it is quick, depends on the purity on the queue. Alright, it's ready. Let's check it out. This one feels a little dramatic. I mean, when it comes closer, you can see it, but it is still very clean. Let's download it. Let's try just one last, and then I will end the video. I like this one, so let's try it, and then let's end it. Let's go. It is ready. Let's check it out. Well, my images are the same, so it makes sense it would be like this. I should have added a different image, but let's end the video here. The idea is that I wanted to show you how easy it is with the Higgsfield AI to make viral videos are added. You have cinematic videos, mixed media, assist, characters, edits, see, and even here, if you come here, you can see all kind of models are here. So it's not limited to any single model. By using this platform, you can utilize all kind of models and make any viral content that you would like. Anyway, let me know about your feedback. Take care. Bye.